Welcome to YolaYoga. Whatever brought you here, the meeting that went wrong, the anxiety that crept in, the feeling that your body is running on too much cortisol and not enough calm. Your nervous system is asking for something. And in the next 10 minutes, I am going to give you 3 specific techniques that speak directly to it. Not through willpower, not through positive thinking, through the actual biology of how your nervous system calms itself. Find a comfortable position. You can sit or stand. You do not need to lie down for this. Let us begin. The first technique is the one your nervous system responds to fastest. It is called extended exhale breathing, and it works because of something called the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve is the longest nerve in your body. It is the direct line between your brain and your body's calm state. And here is the key thing. The exhale activates it. Every long, slow exhale you take sends a direct signal through the vagus nerve to your heart to slow down, to your muscles to soften, to your brain to stand down from high alert. We are going to breathe in for 4 counts and out for 8. The exhale is twice as long as the inhale. That ratio is what activates the parasympathetic nervous system, your body's rest and repair mode. Breathe in through your nose for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and breathe out through your mouth slowly for 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Long, slow, complete. Again, in through the nose for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out through the mouth for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Feel that shift. Your heart rate has slowed. Your shoulders have dropped. The tight feeling in your chest has softened just slightly. That is your vagus nerve receiving the message, we are safe. We can rest. The second technique takes about 15 seconds and is the single fastest way known to science to reduce acute stress. It is called the Physiological Sigh, and your body already knows how to do it. You have done it thousands of times without realizing. It is that involuntary double inhale you take when you have been crying, or the sharp breath in followed by a long breath out that happens when you finally put down something heavy. One deliberate physiological sigh can reduce stress faster than any other single breath pattern. Here is how to do it deliberately. Take a full inhale through your nose. Breathe in as much as you can. Fill your lungs completely. Then, at the top, before you exhale, sniff in a little more. A short, sharp top-up breath through the nose, as if you are squeezing the last bit of air into lungs that are already full. And then release it all through your mouth in one long, slow, complete exhale, all the way out, empty. Let us do that together now. Big inhale in through the nose, fill completely, and a quick top-up sniff at the top, and a long, slow exhale through the mouth, all the way out. Again, inhale fully, top-up sniff, and a long, complete exhale. Let everything go with that breath. One more. Inhale, top up, and release all of it. Notice what just happened. That immediate softening. That sense of something literally leaving the body. That is your stress response reducing in real time. The third technique comes directly from yoga and is one of the most underrated tools in the entire wellness space. It is called Bhramari in Sanskrit, the humming bee breath. And it works through a mechanism that most people never consider. When you hum, the vibration travels directly through the tissues of your throat and chest and into the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve responds to vibration the same way it responds to slow breathing, by activating the parasympathetic nervous system. But humming has an additional effect that breathing alone does not. It increases the production of nitric oxide in the sinuses, a molecule that dilates blood vessels, reduces blood pressure, and has a direct calming effect on the brain. In yoga, this has been known for thousands of years. Science is only now catching up. Here is how to do it. Close your lips gently. Take a breath in through your nose, and on the exhale, hum. Any pitch, any note. Simply a sustained hum through closed lips for the entire length of the exhale. Feel the vibration in your lips, your throat, your chest, your skull. The more you can feel the vibration, the more effective the technique. Let us do this together now. Take a breath in through the nose and hum on the exhale. A long, sustained, resonant hum. Again, breathe in and hum. Feel it in your chest. Feel it in your face. Let the vibration do the work. Sit quietly for a moment. Notice the stillness that follows the humming. That is your vagus nerve responding. is nitric oxide moving through your sinuses. That is your nervous system completing a full reset cycle. You have just used 3 techniques that together target the nervous system from 3 different biological angles simultaneously. No other 10-minute practice does this. Take a moment now to simply notice your body, not to change anything, simply to observe the effect of what we just did. Notice your shoulders. Notice your jaw. Softer? Notice your chest. The quality of your breathing right now. Notice your mind. The quality of your thoughts. Less urgent, less crowded, less loud. Whatever you notice, this is your nervous system in a regulated state. This is what your body feels like when it is not running on cortisol and adrenaline. This is your baseline, your natural state. And you just got there using nothing but your own breath and your own voice. Take one final breath together. In through the nose, hold for just a moment at the top, and a long, slow exhale through the mouth. Feel your feet on the floor. Feel the ground beneath you. You are here. You are regulated. You are ready. You now have 3 tools that you can use anywhere. Anytime your nervous system needs a reset, extended exhale, physiological sigh, and humming. Always available, always effective.